Clean high-traffic spaces efficiently by following a tight, repeatable solo cleaning routine that maximizes coverage and minimizes wasted motion. Start by dusting from top to bottom, moving from high surfaces to lower ones so particles fall to areas you will clean later. Wipe surfaces using a 2-bucket or 2-cloth method so you do not cross-contaminate. One cloth is for cleaner and the other is for rinsing or drying. Empty trash only after you have completed surface cleaning in the zone so you do not track debris into already cleaned areas. Vacuum thoroughly along edges and under furniture with long, overlapping passes, then mop with a figure-8 motion to ensure even coverage and avoid streaking. Combine steps where safe to do so. For example, wipe glass and mirrors during the same visit to an area, or collect loose debris into a dustpan before vacuuming to speed the process. Keep a compact caddy with your daily essentials and restock it at the end of each shift so you do not waste time returning to supply closets. The 3 most common mistakes are skipping the top to bottom order, which forces rework, using a single dirty cloth that spreads soil instead of removing it, and rushing vacuum or mop passes so areas look unfinished. If you skip order, reset by tackling high surfaces first, and then progress downward so you never clean the same spot twice. If you reuse a soiled cloth, switch to a clean one, or use the 2-cloth method to prevent smearing and cross-contamination. If you rush machines, slow your pace to maintain contact time for disinfectants and use overlapping passes so carpets and floors appear uniformly clean. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where users trade tips, ask questions, and share experiences about projects and maintenance. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to motivated local homeowners, while our community helps both sides make better decisions.